This is the beginning.
All right, we're ready to take off. Tacoma rafting. Heading in that Blue Ridge and then to Tacoma. I don't know.
Where's Bobby? All right, guys, we got a YouTube video being made here.
All right.
Get ready. Okay. Well, this is the one group leaving.
She's videoing.
In the middle. Denisha later.
Spin.
Wow. See, I don't get them on the angle and spins go high.
They don't. Dude, Grammy and Grampy are free floating now.
Now is a good time.
No, there's a deeper section past.
Yeah, there's a super deep section over here.
Wait, Carla? Oh, I'm hitting the wall. There you go.
Feeding time.
Bobby, where's your sandwich?
Okay.
Oh, did he?
We're getting ready to go hiking. Rika taking some.
All right, well, I would see this in silence.
Okay, we're ready to go. Flat tire. With a split in the tire here, if you can see that.
Can you elaborate on that, Grampy?
Anything. I know you're a good videographer.
That would be me, my dear uncle. That would be me. How's that sandwich, buddy? Yummy, buddy. Good boy.
Oh, good.
What are you doing?
Play my game.
What are you doing?
Me?
Yeah.
Just got to work.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Okay, stop. No.
Parker, bug spray? Stevie, bug spray?
Ready?
Do the same thing for Silas.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. That's very good.
Hello, Gimpy. You told me I need to vlog more, so I'm vlogging this.
Making noise and nothing happens.
So we're on the hike, guys. But if you look up, it looks like it's about to rain. So this hike might be a rain out.
I didn't see any.
You're finding the unique ones, man.
Niche. Come on, Niche. All right, solid food now.
We're gonna go up the line. We got Steve, looking like an ex-Marine. We got Parker going off on his little tangents. We got Niche following him. Bad influence.
Keep it rolling, boys. We'll hit them on the way back. Those are for the way back. Yeah, Sunday's no fun, dude.
Silas.
We got Mike.
Oh, what's going on?
We got Carla leading the way bravely, the jungle expert.
She is the jungle expert.
Hey, Parker.
Mike, can you put this shirt on my bed because I don't want to get wet.
Do you want me to put it in my bag?
Yeah, you want
You
the
could jump off the end of it.
Oh, use the bag.
See it moving?
Look at parts.
God,
Oh, we got a good picture, dude. Stay right there. You gotta make some
Nah.
your clothes, Niche. We're gonna be soaking wet. You bring a change of clothes?
I think they're in the other car, which is not here.
I'm in trouble.
It's coming down right now, dude. It's pouring rain.
I'll have to say F it, bro.
It's coming down heavy.
In the rain. Pouring rain.
They got Colleen you down there. Here's the gang, dude. Here's the gang. How you guys feeling in the vein, dude?
I'm wet.
It's raining
Yeah, how
hard.
you feeling, Jason?
It feels good.
How you feeling, Slicer?
Ooh, cold. Wet.
Colleen and Silas are up here chilling.
Someone's gotta leave the pack.
The rest of the gang is stacked down here. Get out the way, Niche, little bastard.
Nah, bro.
bro.
The Merrills are good hiking shoes. The ring.
Eagle one sit.
Parker, what's going on, huh?
What's going on? What's going on?
Yeah, dude, look, blue sky right there. Yeah, maybe it's gonna break.
We made it to Long Creek Falls. The whole squad is alive.
Here we are at the falls. As if they found a spot up top. Carlita.
That ran me to Helen, Georgia.
Helen, Georgia. We're in Helen, Georgia.
Check out the Love Duo. Look, down there. Love Duo. You see them. The Love Duo, dude. They're there.
Love to. That is the Bubby Duo. The whole gang looking for something to do in Helen, Georgia. The tube down here on the bridge looks pretty cool.
Different river, it's the Chattanooga.
There you go. Well, we're strolling down the street looking for the Hofbrau house so we can have lunch. Well, we finally made it to the Hofbrau house.
I love when she speaks.
Eureka.
I'm also thinking of the Schweinbraten.
What about the
Schweinebraten's good. I've had that before.
Or the Wiener Schnitzel?
I had that.
One check. One big.
Hey guys, Nathan.
Coke Zero, do you have
Oh, good, okay. We got to start here.
Wow.
We are here. Steve,
Claustrophobic in there?
have some ribeye. Silas, how you feeling about the platter? It's good.
I love the platter. It's an excellent platter. I love this German food.
And he got the 1 liter beer too. Him and Jason splitting it.
Wait, I need to say something. Sieg Heil.
Bobby, if you're taking it, you need to take me. Hey, thank you.
This is the guy who records and edits everything right here. Food's a little delayed. Slicer's trying to seal my food.
All right, 2026 Blue Ridge trip, and now we're in Helen, Georgia. Everybody having lunch.
Yeah.
You can put 2 parts.
Slicer.
I don't think you're We are out here walking away from the German restaurant. Nathan. We are about to head back from the boho store. We got some gelato ice cream.